Street beefs, what's up? Firechicken here at the scrapyard. I'm gonna do a little bit of Oculus 2 boxing. So should have a split screen up for you guys to be able to see what's going on. So enjoy.
I'm only going to tell you two things.
I know this guy.
Protect yourself at all times and obey what I say at all times. Let's make this a clean fight. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Around. You're going down. Thumbs up. Am I doing good? You're not giving me very good advice in here. I mean, what are you even a coach for? We got no spectators today. Alright, here we go. It's southpaw. Come down.
Ladies and gentlemen, going to the scorecards, the judges have determined by unanimous decision your winner is the red corner.
What's up, bro? Is that it? High five? Hug? Alright, good match. Oh, sorry about that. Hey, I know it was a little bit after the bell, but you know, stuff happens. So, who's the winner? Can I step on here? Ooh. No, I definitely not gonna win. I win. Charlie Zelenoff, world champion.